Welcome to Today Learn. Today you will learn how to speak English easily and confidently. Many people understand English, but they cannot speak. This is very normal. The first rule is simple. Do not be afraid. You do not need perfect English. You need practice. Start with very easy sentences. Say with me, I am learning English. I want to speak English. I practice every day. Speak slowly. Do not hurry. Slow English is good English. Now listen and repeat. I am happy. I am tired. I am busy today. I am free now. Do not translate from your language. Try to think in English. When you see food, say food. When you drink water, say water. When you walk, say I am walking. Talk to yourself in English. Say, I am waking up. I am brushing my teeth. I am going to work. I am drinking coffee. This is very powerful practice. Now let us learn some daily speaking sentences. Listen carefully. How are you? I am fine, thank you. What are you doing? I am learning English. Can you help me? Yes, of course. Please speak slowly. I don't understand. Can you repeat, please? Repeat these sentences every day. Mistakes are okay. Mistakes help you learn faster. Do not stop when you make a mistake. Continue speaking. Confidence comes from daily practice. Even 5 minutes a day is enough. But you must practice every day. Listen to English, speak English, repeat English. Remember, you can speak English. You are learning. You are improving. You are getting better every day. Practice again tomorrow. Keep learning. Keep speaking. This is Today Learn.